Welcome. If you want to share a photo on your Telegram channel without making a sound or disturbing your subscribers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send a photo silently on your Telegram channel, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your channel where you want to post the photo. You can find your channels in the chat list. Just tap to open. Now, it's time to choose your photo. You have two options. Either take a new photo right from the app by tapping the camera icon, or upload an existing one from your gallery. Select the image you want to share. Here comes the important part. After selecting your photo, look for the Send button. It's the paper plane icon in the bottom right corner. But don't tap it right away. Instead, press and hold the Send button for a moment. This will bring up a few extra options. From the menu that appears, tap on Send without sound. This feature lets you share your photo without triggering a notification sound for your channel subscribers. They'll still see the notification, but their devices will stay silent, even if they forgot to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Your photo is now sent to your channel, quietly and discreetly. This is perfect for late-night updates, or when you want to keep things peaceful for your audience. To recap, just open Telegram, go to your channel, select or take a photo, hold the Send button, and choose Send without sound. With these easy steps, you can keep your updates considerate and non-intrusive. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials. Happy sharing!